I didn't start baking cakes just to sell desserts. I started because of something I never had. Growing up, dumaan ang birthday ko na walang cake, walang candles na hinihipan, walang wish na ginagawa, walang moment na maramdaman ko na this day is mine. So now, in every cake that I make, it is not just the flour, sugar, or cream. For me, this is the way to embrace and heal the young girl me. For me, ang cake ay higit pa sa cake. Ito yung ngiti ng batang makita ang pangalan niya sa cake for the first time. This is the happiness of each mom, even though how hard the day is, there's a chance to celebrate. This is the time where family and friends get together, even how imperfect life is. This side hustle, this passion, galing ito sa puso. That's why if you order a cake from me, it's not only a dessert. You will get the love, effort, and the story that gives joy. At sana sa bawat slice, bawat kandila at bawat celebration, you will feel special, seen, because you deserve to be happy. The pain you experience as a child can become the purpose you live for as an adult. For me, that purpose is making every celebration memorable.